you hate ironing your clothes, well, you might never have to iron your clothes again, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you do is when you're washing your clothes, you'd want to select the delicate setting on your machine. Now, if you don't have this kind of setting, see if you can manually adjust the spin speed and put it on the lowest setting. That's probably going to be around 800 RPM for most machines. Now, putting it on the delicate setting does pretty much the same thing. It just reduces the spin speed in that final spin step. And by doing that, your clothes are going to come out the machine a little bit soggier. So you take them out the machine and you put them directly on hangers like this. The reason why you want to hang it like this is that when all that weight of the water weighs it down, it's going to kind of hold the clothes out in this stretched position. And so when it's stretched, you're not going to have all those wrinkles, and it's going to dry in that position. And so once it's dry, as you can see, there's only really fine wrinkles. You can barely see them. And especially once you put it on and it kind of conforms to your body, you're not going to be able to see them at all. I've got my laundry fresh out the machine right here to show you. So we're just going to grab a hanger like this, and I usually dry my clothes indoors. So I've got this drying rack thing. It's got wheels and it's got 2 tiers. It's got multiple rows as well. Now I actually keep my rack indoors and I push it up against the wall. So I'm only able to fit 2 rows, one here and one behind it. But if say I pulled it away from the wall a little bit, I'll be able to fit a 3rd row at the back as well. And by arranging it in this way, I'm able to fit a lot of clothes in a very small space. This is great if you're living as a bachelor or a student in a really small apartment. Now, one thing you got to be careful of is that when you're arranging your clothes like this, you want to make sure that they're kind of put out in such a way that there's enough space so that there's airflow between them and that they can actually dry. If they're really close together like this, then you're not going to get any airflow around them and they won't dry as quickly. They're going to stay soggy for maybe a day or 2, and they might even start to smell. And one really neat thing of putting them directly on hangers is that you can take them off once they're ready, once they're dry, and just put them directly into your wardrobe. Right, so there you have it. You can do it with all kinds of clothes. You can do it with your shirts, your dress shirts, your trousers, your skirts, underwear, everything. I hope you found that useful. If you want to see more videos just like this, like this video so I'll make more like this, and make sure you subscribe and hit that little gray bell symbol so you'll be the first to know when new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye. So which color do you think I look best in? Would you say it's black or white, orange, is gray? I don't know, what do you think? I actually like the black and the white and the gray and the orange. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.